Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to save your work on Trello. So first thing, just simply go to your Trello workspace and just simply go to one of your board. And now from here guys, just simply go ahead and then select the three dots on the top right corner over here. And now a drop, and after that, a pop-up window will show up, or a sidebar. And here on the sidebar guys, you should be able to see here print, export, and share. So guys, from here you should be able to save your Trello, and now just simply click on it, and after that you should be able to get the link of the board over here to save your work and share it to others. Or another thing is you could print it out, so click on this one, and pretty much this will be depending on you. And now another option that Trello has have that Trello offer is you can export it as a CSV file. So just simply go ahead and select this one, and after that it will export your work or your Trello. And from here, just simply click on the folder icon and just simply double click on this one. And as you can see, we should be able to have a copy of our board. So pretty much this will be the output, and you can go export it as a JSON as well. And from here, just simply wait for the Trello to process that, and we should be able to save it as a JSON file. And now another option is just simply show QR code. So guys, from here you can download this QR code, and from there you should be able to save your work, and when you scan it, it will redirect you to this board over here. There you go, see ya.